Maglogix presents our new electric hoist, the easiest and safest way to remove castings up to 400 pounds. Easily secures to the 2-inch receiver in the back of your truck. It does weigh about 87 pounds, so be careful lifting it into place. Make sure you secure it with a hitch pin and lock. For our purposes and for greater portability, we used a portable power station. Otherwise, you may have to have the unit professionally hooked up to the power source in your truck. Simply connect the connector to the power supply, attach the remote control unit with the plug to the top of the hoist. This electric hoist has been designed for a very simple operation. Here we're simply hooking up the power supply coming off of our portable power station. Extending the unit, as you can see there are 2 black knobs that give you full articulation in about a 4-foot standoff. Take the remote control for the winch, plug it into the top of the hoist. Bring in your choice of Maglogix magnets. Ensure the most contact area available and the cleanest possible conditions. Bring the electric hoist over, lower the hook, grab onto the swivel ring on the Maglogix magnet. Simply push the up button, bring the lid out of the way, easily swings to clear the hole. Do whatever maintenance, repairs, and inspection are required. Simply lift the lid back up, swing it back into place. Use the bottom of your foot to make sure that it's perfectly aligned and your foot and hands are in no danger. Disconnect, retract the cable, and you're set to go. Remove the Maglogix magnet. Place it back in the truck. Fold the electric hoist back into position, ensuring that the 2 articulating joints are locked in place for safety. At this point, remove the cables, and you're ready to move on to the next location. If your work involves something larger than a basic manhole cover, let's take a look at a 3-foot by 3-foot drainage grate. This weighs about 400 pounds. If you've got a backup camera, it's even easier to get lined up and deploy the electric hoist. Once again, deploy the Maglogix magnet that works for what you're lifting. This is our MXL 1000 pound lifting magnet. Deploy the electric hoist as close as you can right over the lifting magnet. Drop the cable and hook it up. Note as we start to lift this unit how much the back end of my truck goes down. This is 400 pounds with a little under 4-foot moment arm. You notice because of the dip in the truck, it doesn't get raised terribly high. I can still swing it out of the way, and I can still do an inspection. If you do need to get the grate up higher, you may want to try the following option. Take a standard jack stand and put it under the receiver of your vehicle. At this point, you'll be fighting the weight of the truck, not the shock absorbers. You can lift it very easily, very safely, and you'll even get several more inches out of the lift. Once again, it's very easy to swing this out of the way so you can climb down in or just do an inspection. Maglogix offers options for just about every lift you may encounter. A spreader bar with 2 of our 1000s or 1 of our monster 2200s. For more information about our entire line of best-in-class casting lifters, contact Ted Brooks at 303-885-6400 or sales@maglogix.com.